the amount of tool positions you have, you could just knock this thing out, and simultaneously. It's pretty awesome.
Hello my friends, welcome back to MTD CNC. We are at SHOT Show today. I'm with my buddy Bailey. We're gonna talk the Citizen machine with Marbini, Citizen-Cincom Incorporated. It's a tongue twister for me. You could probably say it better. I know Bailey does. But with that being said, we're gonna start off with the discussion of rigidity when it comes to this machine. Importance of rigidity, I think you guys know, but if you don't, obviously better tool life, obviously a better structure so your machine will last longer. There's so much that goes into the importance of rigidity and the overall life of the machine. Bailey, I don't want to steal your thunder though. Let's talk about rigidity and how this machine becomes successful through that.
Okay, so today we're here with the Citizen Miyano ABX-64SYY2. The ABX series is known for its rigidity and robustness. It's all boxway construction on hand scrape slideways. So you have high accuracy, high rigidity, taking heavy cuts, hard turning applications.
When we hear the word boxway, let's talk to the audience out there that goes, well, what does that actually mean when it comes to boxway? Can we talk a little bit about what that means and what that added rigidity gives?
It's a simpler setup and it's more surface area contact. Whereas when you have a linear guideway, there's ball bearings and more moving components.
So Bailey, hand scraping. Are we doing hand scraping on this machine too to go along with that rigidity?
Absolutely, and that's what Miyano's known for. For years, we've been doing this on this machine. For precision, accuracy, customers love it. We have 30-year-old machines that are out there still making parts precise all day long. And it's because of the hand scraping, and it's because of the maintenance on it. It's what Miyano has been known for.
You know, Bailey, I've actually been into some of your customers who have machines about that long, and you're right, that testimonial is there, that they're running day in and day out with that same precision from day one. Now, I want to talk to you about some of the ease of use when it comes to this machine, because a person might look at this and go, oh my gosh, there's 2 turrets, there's 2 spindles. It might feel daunting at first, right? But we want to always convey a message to a new user or a potential customer as we're at the SHOT Show and there's tens of thousands of people here to go, look guys, this is a machine that can be utilized right away, start making you money right away, and the ease of use, not only is the service and support there, but even the FANUC control is familiar to most people. So let's talk about ease of use with this machine.
Yes, absolutely. So, as you said, we have the FANUC 31i control. It's familiar. It's got the full QWERTY keyboard. It's Citizen Miyano. When they designed this machine, they've looked at how the process flows as far as the setup, and they've done things as far as the interface or our setting pages to make it easier for the operator and actually kind of reduce operator input. This machine comes with a dual touch-off probe that's mounted at each spindle. For program validation and setup verification, we can actually handle through the program using a retrace mode. And what that allows us to do is it allows us to run through the program as we roll the pulse wheel. We have complete control. If we let off the handle, the program will stop. We can check for tool clearances. We can also check for program errors and actually correct it on the fly. We also have the ability to actually reverse course and back the program up as far as the last tool change.
When I look at this machine and I see all of its capabilities, let's talk a little bit about multitasking and the ability to do 3, 4, 5, 6 operations on one machine and what value that brings to the customer as well.
Absolutely. That is the guiding philosophy for the design on this machine. Complete part. No secondary operations off the machine. So with the 2 turrets, twin spindles, we can do things. We can do the front side. We can transfer, finish up the back side, collect it. We can automate the collection process. We can automate the loading process. It's really designed to be self-contained and as little operator input as possible.
We've been talking about this machine for a long time, the rigidity, the flexibility, the overall capabilities, the ease of use, the multitasking, but we're at SHOT Show. So we have to let the audience know what we're actually making as well. So Bailey, can we talk about what's happening inside this machine and what part you're making?
Yeah, absolutely. So right now we're actually making an AR bolt carrier. And it was tested with 8620s of feeds and speeds, and we're making it sub 7 minutes. And I have a part that I can show you. But yeah, it comes off complete, and the amount of tool positions you have, you could just knock this thing out, and simultaneously. It's pretty awesome.
So we're talking things like pinch turning that create that unique type of machining. And also, while we're here, would you like to throw out some numbers on speeds, feeds, any of that kind of stuff you'd like to offer the audience as well?
Yeah, we can go over the capabilities. So, okay, so our main spindle is a 20 horsepower, 4,000 max RPM. Then our sub spindle is a 10 horsepower, 5,000 RPM. Then our live tooling is 6,000 RPM, 6 horsepower, and 40 newton meters of torque capable. So we can really get in there and hog some stuff out.
Well, Bailey, you have been absolutely amazing. Thank you for conveying this message to the audience. Sometimes going over all of these details can be extremely exciting, and I know the audience likes to receive the information as well. Thank you all for watching. This is my buddy Bailey. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have.